Hi guys, Ralph here. Right, I'm going to continue a theme on old toys I used to have. If you watched my last video about the Liberators, I'll be going through a few of the bits and bats that I used to have as a kid and what I wanted. Right, first one is, I'll go back to the quick recap on the Liberators. Now I've got 5 Diecast Liberators here. These 3 are from the original release in 1977. Mint in packaging for the blue one. Silver and the white, original white. A few chips on this one, but it's still in relatively good condition. If I ever find a mint one in package, then fine, I might just take this to pieces and yeah, might be for this, either for the big scrapyard, shipyard in the sky, or I might try and repaint it. These 2 were from the DVD releases of Series 3. Come with the white version, and I have never seen one of these anywhere else. It's in silver, with the black ring section, and the white cowl around the engine and the white engine, the weapons. But do not know where. I don't know. I can't even find any history of why they actually made a few of these, or if they have. But I have one, and there it is. Any of you that might do know me know that I'm a Trekkie. Love Star Wars, love Star Trek. Grew up with Star Trek. But I'm not sure about showing you this, because it was a bad project that went wrong. We have the Dinky Enterprise, which really should have took more care of doing. The whole thing was ruined when I got it anyway. The paint was shockingly bad, so I decided to hand paint it. And here it is, the reproduction stickers. The side ones do not stick on, but everything is here and working. You have to put a little coin in the back of there, little tokens, and you flip this round, and it would obviously be inside these holes inside there. You see the yellow bit going round. It's a yellow disc with holes cut into it. Once it got round to here, they would fling the way through off the front like a torpedo. But no end of fun in the 70s. 1976, this one, the Dinky one. Doesn't come out with a number on the back, but again, made in England. But this didn't come with this original shuttle pod, shuttlecraft. I'd say shuttle because it looks like a blooming shuttle pod more than shuttlecraft. But this one was made out of metal. The other one was made out of I think it was a plastic. I painted it orange like the original was. Not actually in the original series, but yeah, the original made out of bright orange plastic. It fits nicely into there. Under here. Close, close, done. Off we go. Next one, my favourite. One of my favourite ships. If you noticed, I did a introduction video to show that I am going to be making a model kit of the Eagle Transporter. Now, I had one of these as a kid. I'm not sure, but there's so many different variations where they got the silver barrels on the back and the red engines. There's a different one where they have the white, well, I think the white ones, the white actual, so the bright green bodywork, I don't think they were actually real. There was a blue ones and there was a white ones. And I bought this a while ago to do up, but this has been a project that has left. And there's something significant about having that panel missing there, instead of having a line down there. Which I don't know. The landing feet spring. I was about to say I've lost these landing feet on the bottom of the pod, but they're actually inside it. I don't know why I've put them in there. They must have either broke off or I don't know. I have to undrill out the rivets to get it out a lot easier, but it should come out. So bear with me, folks. Meanwhile, aha, I think, got it. I don't know why they've come off. Yeah, it just doesn't fit right anymore. It's either gluing in or pushing in properly. It might be different to what it originally was. So I might have bought it and been re-put together by somebody. That's probably why you put it inside, you idiot. Okay, back in it goes. So that's the Eagle. I absolutely love the design of these. The Space 1999 cockpit and the engines. It's such a iconic ship that just didn't do anything else with. And they had the other ship that they had with a Hawk, I think it was. But I absolutely love that ship. Love growing up knowing there was Space 1999 on the television. However, growing up, I had that as a very young boy. But I did used to go. My mum used to work in a bar, and I used to stay above in the there was a room above the bar. I used to knock around with a kid who loved playing with this, but he had one of these. Thunderbird 2. Dinky Thunderbird 2. Now, I loved this ship. Absolutely big, fat, useful, you can do stuff with it. And I used to just, oh, you play with that one. I'll have this. But love this ship. Love the Thunderbird 2. Fully working this one. It does need a damn good clean. Maybe a few bits taking off. It's all screwed together, so that's going to be easy to do. Main pod comes out. Landing legs go, and so they all fully work. Both engines are in there. I mean, obviously this isn't the original proper colour from Jerry Anderson. That was the green one, but again, for some reason Dinky or Corgi did used to experiment with the colours. Maybe it's some rattling. But I've actually got Thunderbird 4. Don't know if this is original, reproduced. But this would be the similar sort of size thing, made out of cheap plastic, as what the Enterprise shuttle will have been almost made out of. In fact, very similar on size. Apart from one is missing, well, one hasn't got a nose on it. They're very, very similar. But, yeah. Well, that's a small little collection of what collectibles, that's what you need to call them, collectibles, yes. But anyway, if you like this, like and subscribe, share, comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.